My PC is what you would call a potato. It's slow, I've had it for over 10 years, and it's running on some kind of caveman technology. Fucking shit. So I thought maybe I should buy a new PC.
You cannot buy a PC. You have no money. You're broke.
Oh,
Haha, PC go Now, I was told building a PC is like adult Legos, but I'm not an adult, nor should I be qualified to go near Legos. What the f is this? How do I fix this? Oh, f looks about right. Ah, I've also got all these spare pieces. Now, for you people that don't know anything about building a PC, it's fairly simple. CPU, RAM, and NVMe go into motherboard. Motherboard goes into case, cables, cooler, power supply, more cables, GPU, and you're done. Anyway, for my fellow PC people, here are the specs. I've got an RTX 5070, which I got at MSRP, by the way.
oh my god! Wow!
A Ryzen 7 7700X, 2TB NVMe, 32 gigs of DDR5, ASRock X870 Pro RS, Thermaltake AIO, 750-watt power supply, some cable extensions, and it's all housed in the Antec C5 ARGB case. Now that I had all the components, we started the build, and it, well, was going great.
I did a stupid. No sleep, just PC, just build. Ooh, this is an empty box. Oh, fluid. Oh, shit.
Set it up underneath the CPU. Go in.
Oh, damn, that was in. There's a little mess with it. Oh, that's difficult. Holy oh, it's in! It's in, we put it in! Yeah.
If you couldn't already tell, I'm stalling here because I don't know how to pace a video. Okay, so video starts and something happens and then explosion and video end. And frankly, my animation process doesn't help that. Put this guy in here. Keyframe, small move, keyframe. Whoa! But let's be honest, you don't care about this build going well. You're just here to see me fail. Real quick, my friend went home halfway through building, so I had to finish building this thing myself. That's kind of it. Alright, we had just finished preparing the motherboard. Now all we had to do was put it in the case, install the cooler, and connect the cables.
Or it will be laying on its side.
Now I hate to admit this, but I spent upwards of 4 hours trying to get the AIO installed correctly. Now I may not be the greatest technician that's ever lived, but goddammit, it shouldn't have been that difficult, okay? I sat staring at these damn AIO cables, wondering what the f I was doing with my life. After finally installing the AIO, it was smooth sailing, and all I had to do was set up Windows.
Okay, so I stopped recording because this is the next day now. Don't ask. It works. Windows setting up. It f***ing works. I mean, I installed the pump the wrong way around, but I don't. And there's, you know, the cables there are a bit of a mess. But it works. That's what matters. I can fix. I'm not gonna change the pump. I can't. I'm not doing that. But everything, I'm gonna fix the cables, but everything else works! The PC works! It's whoa! Now you may be wondering, what am I even gonna be using this PC for? This is the shit, baby, let's go! At the end, the build turned out looking really, really nice, and I'm really happy with it. The cable management isn't great, and also look, I built the GPU sag bracket out of Lego. That's it, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to let me know, and feel free to give me suggestions on what I should make a video about next. If you're actually curious about what I'm using this PC for, it's mainly just for editing, programming, games. This video took me a while, and I kind of rushed through it. I have an exam tomorrow, and I need to study, so, yay, have fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you liked the video.